Check it out, guys. Good morning. Good Saturday morning. I'm headed up to Florida Bay. I fish around out there by snakebite and the area, so there's no shrimp. Jack of the yellow bait house here doesn't have any shrimp, and the Don's Bait and Tackle don't have any shrimp. So I picked up some silver side, some squid, and some herring. I got some frozen shrimp from my last trip. Hopefully that'll work. But again, I'm headed out there, guys, so stay tuned for that. See what happens, guys. You guys are more welcome. You guys are welcome to tag along. Let's do this. So here I am, guys. I just made it to the park. Well, I've been here a few minutes. I unloaded. There's a kayak at Wahoo. The mosquitoes are not bad here at the park at the boat ramp. Here's the boat ramp. But the horseflies are horrible. They're just everywhere. That's normal. That's nothing new. But let's go out. Let's do this. Shoot. It's humid out here. Come on, guys. Let's do this. Tarpon feeding in here. I thought I just saw or heard a snook pop over there. See right there? There's a lot of bait fish in here. They don't allow you to fish the marina in the daytime. There's another tarpon. See him up there? See him up there? Look at all the tarpons in here. Look at that. There's tarpons all over this place in here. Look at that right in front of me right there. Here we go, guys. I don't have no live shrimp. I love coming out here with live shrimp, but it is what it is, you know. I got here late. I was gonna try to be here around 6, but I had to run to 2 different bait shops trying to find some shrimp. So you just deal with it. Now stay tuned. Man, this place is full of tarpons. They're smart. They know you can't catch them in here. I don't know if the tide's going out or coming in. I didn't look at the chart, but it's about halfway either way. So heck, it's really slack though. So this is the shrimp I have. Doesn't look too good, but hey, let's see. I saw a fish feeding over here. We'll see. Like I said earlier, I have some squid and it's humid out here. And some herring, some silverside. I've never fished out here at silverside. I fished out of Caesar's Creek and so on with them, but never out here in the bay. I think the current's going out because the wind is going east, and I'm kind of standing still, so I think the current's going out. Those guys are gonna hit ground. Wee, big ol' moly. So I don't think the shrimp's any good. I'm giving it a good shot, but I don't think the shrimp's any good. Our fish. Something was messing around right here. See the mud right there? That's the only reason why I'm casting. Casting with a purpose. Good, yourself?
Better, man.
Hey, we're here, right? Fish on, guys. Little catfish, maybe? Yeah, little catfish. Okay. Little catfish had him way down his throat. Oh, my fancy fishing snake bite. Totally changed. Too much wind. That's what it is, right? Oh, you mother. Oh, that was a better fish. Or that was a good fish. The other one was just cats. It was a catfish. It was a big catfish. They pulled dry for a second there. That's swimming at a catfish. Oh, he's just spanning. Maybe it is a cat. Yep. Another cat, maybe? Another cat. Yep, look at it. See? Yeah, so these are the shrimps. Fish on. Better fish. Better fish. Bigger for cat. A bigger cat. A bigger cat. Getting me all wet, man. Come here, man. Got all that slime all over my leader. Yep, another cat. I haven't seen him yet, the way he's swimming. See right there, see? I could be wrong. Maybe I didn't think I was. Give me a freaking break. Nothing but catfish out here. Shoot, man. Silver side. Come on, bro. Some nasty looking things. Little cat. Another cat. Another cat. Okay. Cat City. Fish on the big squid. Oh, he came off. Oh, you mother. You hot dog. I felt that jerk. Guy just had it in his mouth, I guess. Got a bite. I don't know if that's a... There it is again. Oh, it's not a cat, dude. Come on, man. Give me something better than a cat. Anything's better than a cat. It's a cat. It's a cat. Look at him. Look at him going around in a circle. See? Freaking cat. I'm in Cat Haven. Tom had this thing, jerked the crap out of it and it jumped. Well, I'm trying to take off a catfish. You know the crap out of it. What I'm trying to do with this freaking catfish. Yeah, this is crap. I gotta get out of here. It's just crap. Catching nothing but catfish. Redfish? A snooky on a shrimpy. All right. Yeah, that feels good. That feels good, man. Shoot. Thank you. Ooh. Dude. Tell me there's another catfish on this thing. Yanked the crap out of it. I got it sitting behind there on the rod holder. Yanked the crap out of it. Oh, that felt good to catch that little snook there, man. That feels so good. Look at that, look at that rod go, look at that rod go, look at that rod go. Whatever it is grabbing it and taking off with it. He's not eating it. Oh, come on, man, get off there. That's the thing I don't like about braid, boy, they do get tangled up. That rod took off. Bend the crap out of it. Wow, got me a snook, man. Thank you, Lord. Whew. Little guy, but hey, better than them catfish. That's for sure. Let me see if there's another one over there. There's one that may be 2 or 3. I got them on the frozen shrimp, that old shrimp. Been in the freezer since the last time I was out here, and that was a while back. Oh, let's hope we got it this time. Pulling drag. He's pulling drag. It's pulling drag. I hope it's not a catfish. Said that hook. It's a little guy. Whatever it is little. A freaking catfish, dude. You believe that? Hey, man. Oh, come on, Jose. No better than that. Oh, shoot. Shark. And I'm hung on that tree. Big old shark. And I'm hung on that tree. Oh, man. Am I recording? Yes. Big shark. Well, I don't know how it's big, but I'm freaking hung on that tree right there. Knew what's gonna happen with that. I think it's a shark. I thought I saw the tip of it. Yep, there it is. Blacktip. And I'm hung on that tree. pretty, man. Look at that. It's not a blacktip. Look at that, guys. It is. Look how pretty. Oh, it's sweet there. Come on, but I'm gonna let you go in a minute. So let me see. Ooh! He got pissed. He didn't like that. The thing is that I'm hung. Look at that, how it's just all wrapped around. Let me go. Open the bell because I'm hung on that tree right there with the jig. He did not like me reaching for him. Look at that. Oh, shoot. He's wrapped around now. I made a mess. You got me soaking wet. Come here, buddy. Let me reach for that tail. I want to get that hook out of your mouth. I don't want to leave you with that hook on there. Look at the teeth on that thing. Look how pretty, guys. You get tired. You'll get tired. The blacktip. This is where you need a pedal drive. I'm hung on that branch. I'm all over the place now. I'm about to get this guy off, like right now. Come here, man. I'm gonna let you go. Teeth on that thing. How pretty, man. Oh, that's what I wanted to do, I think. Okay, he's biting the needle. Alright, enough. Time to let him go. Where's the needle nose? He got me all wet. Come here, buddy. Time to let you go. Not leaving that hook in your mouth. Let me get it. Should have brought my D-hooker, man. I got a nice long D-hooker. So if you're gonna bite you, boy. He's trying to bite you. I get my needle nose. And there goes my needle nose. And I don't have needle nose because he bit him. What a mission with this fish. He bit my needle nose and then he spit it out and it fell in the water. But look at this guy. Oh man. Oh man, I'm gonna let him go. Go, buddy. Go, man. Swim. What a freaking mission with that fish. I was gonna bring my long, I have the hooker. Okay, now let me go get my, look at that. Way down there, dude. Okay. I was radical with that shark. Lost my needle nose. He bit the crap out of him. Trying to get that hook out of his mouth. He got me soaking wet. He's got everything wet in here. Which is, it is what it is, you know, it's part of fishing. But I did not see that coming. Right when I got hung on that tree, he took off with the bait. So I had to deal with the fishing pole, the line being tangled up or hung on that tree over there. And then it got tangled up on those dry branches right there. I had to deal with that and him at the same time. So I kept the bail open on the pole and just let the line go. What else was I going to do? So now I don't have needle nose and I don't have a dehooker. So it is what it is. He just took off. I mean, he just took off. That's got to be a shark. That was a shark, I think. This time we're out in the open. There he is over there. This time we're out in the open. Oh, he came off. Oh, you mother. He came off. No, he didn't break that line, or did he? Nope, came off. Took the bait. There was a blacktip right here next to the kayak. When I looked to the left, he was right there. Surrounded by blacktips. You put your hands in the water. Fingers. And he let it go again. He let it go again. Cool. So I didn't catch what I came out to catch: redfish, trout. I caught one small snook, some messed catfish. They said the wind was going to be 9 to 13. They were blowing a lot harder than that. So when I got out to snake bite out there, I couldn't fish the flats out there. So, but it is what it is. I'm not going to complain. I got to go out and paddle and just enjoy myself out here. So I want to thank you guys for watching and liking my videos, for your comments. I really do appreciate it, guys. Till next time. So check it out, guys. I'm here after fishing all morning for about 6.5 hours out in Flamingo, the Florida Bay. As I was driving by, I saw they took the sign down and they opened the pond. This pond is usually closed from January, the beginning of January, all the way through the first or second week of August. But they opened it early. So I went home. It took me 3.5 hours. Cleaned everything, washed everything, including myself. Changed gears, and here I am. I'm so excited to be here. I've been waiting 6.5 months for this place to open. Man, I'm here. I can't believe I'm here. All right, guys, come on. You're welcome to tag along. Let's do this. Let's catch some snook. I am so freaking excited. I feel like a kid in a candy store. I am serious. I am so freaking excited. I am used to this place opening second week or so of August. We're not even done with June, it's already open. I mean, you don't understand. You have to be in my shoes to understand. Whoo! The memories I have in here are amazing. I got chills. I'm serious, guys. I freaking have chills. Because I know what's in here. I know what I can catch in here. Come on, baby. I know you guys miss me as much as I miss you. Come on. Come on. Oh my goodness. I am so happy this place is open. Come on, baby. Come on. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Don't grab it. Here, fishy, fishy. We got tarpon, we got ladyfish, we have snook, we have cichlids, we have bass. I am so freaking excited. Almost nervous. So excited, I'm almost nervous, put it that way. I don't know if you guys understand that, but hey man, that's me. Oh man. Come on, big snook. Come on, boy. I know you're here. Middle of the day, I'm going with a rattle trap, going down deep, guys. I'm gonna hit that cliff right there. There's a drop off right there. I'm gonna hit it if I can get untangled. Ooh, that was a hit. Or I bumped something. I'd have bumped a big mullet. That gave me butterflies. Fish on, guys. Fish on. First snook. First snook. First of many to catch. First of many to catch. Whoo! Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Thank you, Lord. Nice, nice. You can see the difference. That's where the shelf is, where the drop is. Snook lay up in there. I can't freaking believe this place is open. I've never fished this place in June or July. Never. All my years of fishing out here. Come on, big snook. I know you're hanging out over there. Right there, he hit it right there. Oh shoot, he nailed it right there. Little guy. Bouncing off the rocks. Come over one of them rocks, boom. Big old snook be sitting down there just waiting for it. Nailed it. He nailed the crap out of it. I got like 3 different hits. I got like 3 different hits. Oh, he nailed the crap out of it. 3 different fish hit that. Or he hit it 3 times, one or the other. Oh my goodness, I love this place. Now don't get me wrong, I've been skunked here. I have been skunked here. I've left here and gone to 9 Mile Pond and caught fish over there. And oh yeah, I put it in his mouth, man. I dropped it in his mouth, guys. Nice little guy, but I love it. God, I miss this place. Oh, come here, buddy. It's good to see you guys. Are so healthy. Look at this. Look how healthy, man. Sweet. That's why we're swimming so hard. So that shark earlier bit my needle nose and took off, and he went under and spit it out. And I couldn't save my needle nose, so I bought my repeller ones. They don't cut braid, but the other ones did. Oh, I love it. Found a honey hole here, I think, guys. I love it. Oh, he nailed it. Oh, how the heck you missed that? How the heck did he miss that? Oh, that felt good. That was electrifying. Ay, Dios mío. Get a snook out of that grass. A bunch of grass. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. There's a big old patch of grass right there. Ooh, what's that? No, see, that's not a snook. That's not a snook. The way that's doing, that's not a snook. Set the hook. Could be a small snook. Yeah, I didn't think it was a snook the way it was doing that. I felt more like a snapper bite than a snook. Come here, man. Big old slimy thing. Yeah, I didn't think that was a snook. That was awesome. Thought it was on. Got that rock. Got a rockfish. Got a rockfish. Some big boulders down there, guys. Big boulders. See them? Sure the camera's not picking up. Look at that one. That's a big boulder there. That's where I'm hung down there. See, it just came right off that rock. Hey, Jose. Good stop. Good stop. You think you are, man? You think you're all that? And you did it again. Twice in a row. There's tarpon all over this place, but for some reason, from that little opening till about right there, this spot right here, it holds more tarpon. You get more tarpon out of here than you do the rest of the place. For some reason, I guess I don't know. I don't have an answer for that, but this spot right here, I call it the tarpon corner. You'll catch tarpon in other spots too, but not like here. And it's deep too. I don't know, 18, 20 feet, maybe a little more. Shallow, all that shallow. About right there, and it starts to drop. Actually, I didn't do too good here in this corner. In this little opening here. That's right about the edge of the drop off. I'm gonna bust a big one up. Bust a big one up, guys. Look at all that water back there, man. I can't get to it. That's why these ponds are so hard to fish when the water level's so high. Oh, right there. Tarpon. Told you guys, this is tarpon corner here, man. Boy, he spit that thing. That lure came at me, that rattle trap. I love it. That rattle trap came flying at me, boy. This is tarpon corner here, man. From here back that way. That's awesome. That is awesome. Thank you, Lord. That is freaking dangerous the way that lure came flying at me. Go around that corner over there where those rocks are. I am almost 99% that there's a snook sitting on those rocks. And a good one too. The heck was that? Let's just say I bumped a big mullet. See what I mean? A big mall. Ay, Dios mío. That a big old gator was coming after me. That's funny. See, I bumped. He hit it this time. See, that ain't no mullet, dude. I knew that when I said earlier. I knew that wasn't no. I didn't bump no mullet. Come here, man. Look at you, man. How healthy and pretty you look. Come here, man. I'll get you off right now. I'll get you off right now. I done lost a needle nose today to a shark. My good ones too. Pretty, man. Thank you. Ooh, he nailed the crap out of it. I mean, I was counting the chickens before the eggs hatched, but I'm telling you, I could have sworn he was on. As soon as I ripped it through the grass, he nailed it when it came out of the grass. Oh, he nailed it right there. Right there, guys. Nice. Nice snook too. Little guy, but. Is that a snook? Nope. The heck is it? A molly? I snagged. Don't tell me that molly went for my. Dude. I got to see this. You getting me wet, dude. That's a mudfish. I was gonna say, man. That's a mullet, dude. How the heck did that mullet go eat my bait like that? Dude, I've snagged them before. Or foul hooked them. But I have never had one go after my bait and eat it. Am I recording? I can't tell. Look at that, guys. This mullet went after my bait. I don't know. I've never had that done before. I didn't even think mullets would do something like that. I have foul hooked them in here. Big ones too. Let me get him out first. Come here, man. Come on, I'm gonna let you go. You and your fat self. This guy went for it right in the mouth. Freaking mullet. How fat and juicy that thing is. I've never had that happen. That lure was coming full speed and right by the kayak over there. He came up, I saw him come up and grabbed it. He chased my lure down. I've never had that happen. That just blew my mind, guys. I watched him come up and swallow it. I thought it was a mudfish at first. A bowfin for you guys. We don't know what a mudfish is. Whatever. Guess it's the first time for everything, huh? Right there. That's where I was talking about earlier. Around the corner here. Ooh. 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 That felt good. Now there's got to be a nice snook here. Laying up in that rock right there. All that shallow right there. And it starts to drop right here where I'm at. 8. I'm still tripping about that mullet, guys. Freaking mullet chased my lure down and grabbed it. So this is the southeast corner of the pond. And has done me the best in the last 3 years. Right here in this corner right here. Especially that entrance right there. I can't cast where I want to cast with the rattle trap because of that grass. Because it's right at the border where it starts to drop. That grass is. I'm gonna hit it with the tube lure or with that fluke. The size of that thing. Fly, robin, fly. Up to the sky. Oh, nice, man. See? Southeast corner, guys. Oh! Oh, he spit the hook. Oh, that's a better fish there, guys. Oh, that's a better fish there. Oh, he spit the hook. Oh, let me back up. If there's one, there's another one. Oh, that was a better fish, guys. Shoot. That was a snook, too. Oh, man. I need to change that so they don't get lazy about that. Fish on. He's swimming full speed this way. Oh, little guy, but he was, I couldn't tell because he was swimming full speed. Come here, buddy. This is so freaking healthy. Look at him, man. Awesome, man. Come here, man. Thank you. That's two out of that same spot there. See if I can get another one out of there. Ooh, you freaking nailed it. I saw the whole thing. That's a better fish. Freaking nailed the crap out of it. That's a better fish. A bass. It's a bass. And that grass. Woo! She's little, man, but she's pretty, man. Look at her, man. Oh, right there. As soon as I hit that grass, in between that grass right there. Oh, I love it. Tarpon, bass, snook. How could you not miss this place, boy? I tell you. A couple of pounds, maybe 2.5, 2 pounds. I'm not one to exaggerate. Two-pounder, pound and a half. Pound 3/4. She ain't all that, but she is fat though. Pretty, man. Look at her, man. She ain't that fat. Pound and a half. Thank you, buddy. Sweet. Oh, I told you there was something back here messing around. Son of a fish. That was him right there. Snook too. Shoot, I don't know if the camera picked him up, but I saw him. Shoot, I knew it. I saw him. I don't know if it was a snook messing around, but I know it was a fish back here messing around. Shoot. Oh, he got that whole thing in his mouth. Come here, little man. Shoot. So you really wanted that, didn't you? Oh, it's going to be a mission to get that thing out of his mouth. Come here, man. You done tore up that leader. Let's see how I can do this without you. Yo, you got that thing way down in there, dude. Oh, man. Relax, man. Relax. Let me see how I can get this out without hurting you. Relax. Surely you can't leave that in there. Come here, young man. I can let you go. I'm running out of daylight here. Them bugs are nasty as it is. Cichlid? Cichlid, I think. Yeah, yeah, cichlid. The size of that thing, dude. small compared to that other one, and yet it's still big. Hey, buddy. Thank you. Oh! Oh, I had him on for a second. Shoot. I had him on for a second. Shoot. Ooh, a hot dog. Little guy, but oh, cichlid. Come here, man, you pink looking thing. Look at you, man.